Sa pagsisimula ng Filipino Heritage Month, kasado na ang isa sa pinakamalaking Filipino event sa British Columbia, ang Pinoy Festival. May mga aasahang pagbabago sa paghahanda at programa matapos ang trahedya noong Lapu-Lapu Day. Narito ang report ni Rhea Santos.
It's important, especially during this time, for us to come together, to rise up, to be stronger.
Tayo sama-sama tayo naglusa nung panahon ng Lapu-Lapu, nung pagkatapos ng Lapu-Lapu. Ngayon ay sama-sama tayong magdiwang ng ating kultura at sama-sama tayong paghilom.
Tuloy ang isa sa pinakamalaking pagtitipon ng Filipino community sa British Columbia, ang Pinoy Festival na magaganap sa June 14 sa Swangard Stadium sa Burnaby. Gabi ng May 31 nang ilunsad ang tema ng muling pagsasama ng komunidad, Pinoy Festival We Rise 2025, paghikayat ng sama-samang pagbangon matapos ang malagim na trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day noong April 26.
Yes, in light of what happened, one of the biggest changes that we've had to the program for the Pinoy Festival is actually starting off the program with a solidarity parade. So for this parade, we will be honoring those that were impacted by the incident during the Lapu-Lapu Festival. We've also invited not just the Filipino community, but also the Polish community. I believe the Latin community will be there to show their support.
Well, one of the things that you have to know about Filipinos is that we are a people of celebration. We're joyful people. You know, after every setback, after catastrophes, which there are innumerable number in the Philippines, we always get back up. So it's important to show up and come to Filipino events because we want to show that this doesn't get us down, that we continue to live, we continue to celebrate, we continue to support each other.
Asahan pa rin daw ang kainan, musika at pagpupugay sa kulturang Pilipino. Ilang pagbabago ang ginawa para maging ligtas ang selebrasyon. Pagpapanatag sa lahat, maging sa kanilang mga vendor na sasali pa rin bilang pagsuporta sa komunidad.
We have met with certain organizations, for example, the Burnaby RCMP, to discuss a more strict safety policy to ensure that all festival attendees will be safe. And the response so far has been great. It feels like they feel safe to attend.
Because we were down and then it's time for us to rise up.
Mahalaga na magpakita tayo para sa isa't isa.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.